model, 2009 Ford Transit 115 T430 17-seater minibus Rwd very long MOT camper project. Body, white, minibus. Mileage, 121468. MOT, the 31st of January 2026. Engine, 2401 cc TDCI 115 PS DURATORQ-C. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. The gearbox and transmission are in good condition and it pulls well in all gears. No lights on the dash. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear seat area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest motor which would make a great camper or even another round as a bus. Features, 3 former keepers, electric windows. EU status, Euro 4. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401119973.